Hi everyone, I'm Jason Quesada for Cloud Connect, here with an update as to what's going on with the event. We wrapped up Cloud Connect Silicon Valley a couple of months ago, and we're heading up and getting really excited about Cloud Connect Chicago in a few months. Joining me today for this Cloud Connect Chicago update is none other than Steve Wylie, the general manager of the event. How's it going, Steve?
I'm doing great, Jason. Good to be here with you.
Glad to have you back. It's been a while.
Yeah.
So for those people who don't know what Cloud Connect is, can you give them a brief update about what the event is about and why they should be excited to go?
Sure. So this is, of course, our first time taking Cloud Connect to Chicago. Cloud Connect is the premier event in the market for developers, IT professionals, service providers, anyone who's involved with putting cloud computing into practice for their business. Mm-hmm. We offer an unparalleled third-party content-led program that really just brings all the latest technologies to light for again, anyone who's looking to adopt these kinds of technologies in their own business.
Excellent. So why are we going to Chicago, Steve?
Well, we've been running our Cloud Connect event in Silicon Valley for the last 4 years. Mm-hmm. And we've had phenomenal success there and growth. And we felt it was time to add additional Cloud Connect conferences in different regions. So this year we're adding Cloud Connect Chicago. We've also added Cloud Connect Bangalore, which is happening in India. For the Chicago event, Chicago is such an important market in the U.S. It's one of the top 5 metropolitan areas within the United States. It's home to numerous Fortune 100 and Fortune 500 companies across such a great variety of vertical industries. So industries like financial services and healthcare and manufacturing, transportation, biotech. There's very few places in the U.S. that can boast that kind of cross-representation of industries. So Chicago is just absolutely the right place for us to be adding a new Cloud Connect event this year.
Excellent. And Steve, can you give people an explanation as to, if they attend, what can they expect?
Well, I think attendees coming to Cloud Connect should expect a top quality content-led program, and that's a program taught by third-party experts that we bring in to assemble the program. So that's first and foremost. I think secondly, they should expect to get access to the right vendors in the market, right? There's a lot of vendors in the space. Our attendees have a lot of questions. Cloud Connect offers such a great way for them to interact with all in one place and understand what's going to be the best solutions for their business. And I think the last thing that attendees should expect from Cloud Connect is just a great opportunity to network with their peers, right? I mean, that's such an important part of this, and Cloud Connect offers attendees a chance to connect with, share, and learn from each other, and hopefully take away some best practices that they can apply in their own business as well.
Excellent. I'm glad you brought up content, because my next question is how are the tracks shaping up?
Sure. Well, the tracks are coming together very nicely. We had a great response to our call for papers, which is a good first step, and we're working with some of the leading experts out there. So we've got the right ingredients for a fantastic program. We're actually in the final stages of putting together the tracks for the event. We'll be taking the wraps off of that in the next few days here. So it's exciting because we're seeing all the culmination of all the work over the last few months and really seeing how that's come together. I'm really proud of the program that we've got, and I think our attendees are going to get a lot out of it as well.
Excellent. Compared to Cloud Connect Silicon Valley, what's new with Cloud Connect Chicago?
Sure. So of course our Silicon Valley event was just a few months ago, but we're keeping a close eye on the real key trends in the market, and we've added a couple of new programs to the Chicago program that we're excited about. So first is a new intensive workshop on big data. Big topic right now for a lot of reasons. We'll cover everything from the latest in big data technology all the way through some best practices for businesses that they can really kind of take away and learn from. We have a new security workshop as well. So a lot of companies are really trying to address the security and privacy and risk implications of cloud computing. We're doing an intensive program around that this time as a new addition, which I think will be great and very well received. And then lastly, we've got a new program on platform as a service offering. So this is another intensive program. It'll be run over a half day. It'll cover everything from the vendor landscape to kind of the best roadmap to deploying platform as a service applications in your business. So a lot of new program elements that we're excited about, in addition to all of the existing kind of tried and tested programs that we've been running at Cloud Connect for a number of years now.
Excellent. Last question, Steve. Why should people attend Cloud Connect Chicago?
Well, I think people should attend Cloud Connect Chicago because we're at a pivotal time, in cloud computing. We're really shifting from the early years of defining the cloud. That was the focus, for the last 4 years or so. But now it's so much more about putting cloud computing into practice.
Yep.
And I think that's really where a lot of companies that are adopting cloud computing are at right now. They're trying to understand, how does this apply to my own business? In parallel, we've also seen an explosion of vendor solutions hitting the market. So a lot of confusion out there, a lot of competition out there. So attendees need a place that really brings all those elements together in a third-party conference that is led by leading experts to help them distill all that information and make the right kinds of decisions and strategic planning for their own business. So it's a week well spent for anyone who's really looking at how to adopt cloud computing in their own business.
Great. Steve, thank you so much for your time. I know you're super busy right now with the whole planning, all the stuff with Cloud Connect Chicago, so appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And there you have it, folks. A quick update on Cloud Connect Chicago, which you should attend because it's going to be slightly different than Cloud Connect Silicon Valley, and plus it's a new city. You get to visit Chicago. And we'll see you soon. Take care.